Healthy indoor air quality should be your top home priority list. This includes taking actions that will keep your home clean and healthy. One step is to ensure that your home's indoor air is clean and healthy. Air duct cleaning helps to remove debris and dust from your home's heating. That being the case, the most asked question is, how often should the air system be cleaned? Unlike other sorts of cleaning, air duct cleaning does not need to be done regularly. An air system that is adequately maintained by a certified heating and air conditioning contractor at least once a year. Preferably serviced per season change, just needs to have the air ducts cleaned every 3 to 7 years. The amount of time between cleanings will depend on some of the following conditions. Ratings are 1 to 5, with 1 being extreme and 5 regular. Rating 1 is a home had a mold, smoke, water, or fire damage which requires immediate remediation, which could include replacement of ductwork and the heating and air conditioning system. Rating 2 is a home that has floor return and supply vents. Rating 2 is a home that uses open windows to cool the house. Rating 2 is a home's residences that have allergies or respiratory illnesses. Rating 3 is a home with traffic coming into and going out of the home is higher than usual. Rating 3 is a home that has an indoor smoker. Rating 3 is a house that has indoor pets. Rating 4 is a home that has very young children or the elderly. Rating 5 is an air system that is regularly maintained by heating and air conditioning contractor, and air filters are changed as specified by the manufacturer. Use free air system inspections by a qualified air duct cleaner based by the rankings. A rating is 1, the inspection is immediate. A rating of 2, the inspection is every 2 years. A rating of 3, the inspection is 3 years. Rating 4 and 5, the inspection is every 4 years. In all cases, you should request a free inspection of your air system by a licensed and qualified heating and air conditioning contractor that also provides air duct decontamination service, to verify that your system needs cleaning.